it won't be, well, I'll see it next Wednesday. I'll say, well, 10 minutes. I'll see it in 10 minutes. Now, I had somebody here yesterday, and he said, I've read your book, and he said, I leave the day free, and there's certain parts of the day where, like, you'll come in and there's other things happening in the diary, but I try to leave it as free as possible, and then I can react to what's going on. So I like to be as free as possible, because if we get a phone call and an agent says this has just come on the market, it won't be, well, I'll see it next Wednesday. I'll say, well, 10 minutes. I'll see it in 10 minutes. Now, I had somebody here yesterday, and he said, I've read your book, and he said, I find it fascinating that you can take a phone call 11 o'clock at night, or 4 in the morning, 6 o'clock in the morning, whatever, and you would go to that property, 11 o'clock. He said, I would just say to them, well, I'm too tired, I'm going to bed, or I can do it next Wednesday or whatever. And he said, I have a job in making that commitment. And he says, and then people like you've not procrastinated, you've made that decision.
Yeah.
But what if, and he says, but what if you make a bad decision? Well, hey, walking in front of a bus. How many people will have these masks on and glasses in the winter, and their glasses will steam up, and they'll walk in front of the bus and they'll die anyway? So it's like these things happen, and it's not being a failure. It's learning. It is.
So if anybody has any doubt, Neville does not like masks. Just to be clear. So